Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys are on 4 days today. In this video it's talking about Coinbase. Went up like nearly 40% today. So should you buy Coinbase? And I'm just going to give you guys an update on Riot and Mara. They went down today. So both of them went down more than 15%. So before we get to Coinbase, I'm just going to talk about diversification. The tech sector went down, but there are some sectors that went up. So sectors like energy and banks, they were up today. So let's say your whole portfolio is in the tech sector, your account would have been down huge today. But let's say diversified in many sectors, you would have that balance, so you won't be down that much today. So that's the importance of diversification. So Coinbase ticker symbol COIN. This stock is around $3.20 and it was up nearly 32% on the day. So it's up nearly 3% on the after hours. This stock is valued at $61 billion. That is big. Stock went all the way to $430. This stock was up well above 40%. So let's briefly go through some news. So one of the reasons the stock was up today is because it became one of the most valuable US exchanges, and there is a huge demand for the cryptocurrency platform. So this is why it went up. Just states here. So basically Coinbase is a platform where you can buy cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin went up to the all-time highs, so that's probably why this went up as well. Yes, so they estimate that their first quarter revenue would be about 1.8 billion, more than 800% above what I saw last year. I do see this realistic because we've seen with Bitcoin they went up to the all-time highs. We also see Ethereum, they went to the all-time highs. We've seen Dogecoin reach up to the all-time highs. It's a meme coin. There's also a lot of people using Coinbase. Look, it says there's 56 million verified users. So that is how big this platform is. So this one person called Alice has a $600 price to it. So what this means is that he's really bullish. Coinbase generates the bulk of its revenue from trading in its crypto wallet. Basically what this means is when cryptocurrencies go up, they'll make more money. So I do think Coinbase is still a good investment, even though they have high fees. But right now they have no competitors. But maybe in 2 years time or 1 year time they might have competitors. But right now this stock is a really good investment in my own opinion. This guy said that it's going to be hard for the company to maintain its current fee levels with this competitive market for crypto trading. So the gist I'm getting is that it's going to be quite hard for these competitors to compete with Coinbase. So that's basically it. Before we get into the plan to invest in Coinbase, we're going to look at what ARK Invest is doing. She added 512,000 into her ARK ETF. She also added 90,000 to her ARK ETF. So that is good to me. So for this one, we average down on 4 strike prices. So let's say $1,000. I put my first $250. If this drops to below $321, then let's say this drops to below $310. I put my next $250 on that. Then if this drops below $300, I put my next $250 on this. Then last, if this drops below $275, I put my last $250. So I'm on that drop low, but we're going to have cash on hand to buy the dip. We never know where the market's going to go. So let's say the worst case scenario, this doesn't come down, it goes straight up. Don't worry, there'll always be another play. So usually with these IPOs, they tend to go up, then they come back down. Basically don't go into FOMO and wait for this to come down. So we're going to talk about Riot and Mara. So Riot is down big today. They're down 15.36% on the day. Then afterwards they're up a bit of 2.6%. So basically be very careful with the stock. Don't average down more than 4 times and put your 10% stop loss to prevent this going lower and you losing your money. So that's what I want to say. I don't see any reason why this was done today, because Bitcoin reached the 60k mark or 62k. I do think it's due to market manipulation and part of the Coinbase hype thing. With that being said, this is a swing trade stock, so be really careful. So Mara was also down big. They're down 15.75%, and in the after hours they're up nearly 3.9%. So the same thing applies. Make sure you don't average down more than 4 times, and also make sure you have a 10% stop loss. So this is to minimize your losses, because we know Bitcoin is really volatile. Means these Bitcoin mining companies are really volatile as well. So that's the end of the video about Coinbase, how you should invest in Coinbase, if you guys should follow the hype or not, and also about Riot and Mara. Make sure you have your stop losses and don't invest or don't average down more than 4 times. Please subscribe and like this video so my videos get larger and so more clever investing in finance. So that's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one and happy investing.